Hello and welcome. We're going to do a 10-minute gentle seated yoga today outside in the sun. No yoga mat. Just make yourself comfortable. Whatever you need to do right now to feel more comfortable, please do it. Gently bring your hands to your knees. We're going to gently bring the chin to the chest, arch the spine back. Coming back to neutral. Okay, I'm going to ask you to sit really on the edge of your seat now. Plant the feet on the floor, hands on the knees, bring the chin to the chest, arch the spine back. Forward, take the chin up. You may want to sip a bit of breath here. Exhale, arch the spine. Just notice any stiffness in the mid-spine, lower spine, upper spine. Just continue with this gentle movement. Continue with this gentle movement. Inhale, exhale. You may want to pull the belly button back to the spine. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Pull on the knees. Sip a bit more breath at the top. Exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Arch the spine back. Coming back to neutral, and now taking one hand on the side of the chair, we're going to bring the other arm up, side stretch. So putting some weight in that hip to keep that down. Smile, take the gaze up. Inhale, passive exhalation. Inhale, passively exhale. Which is hard. Practice that. So we'll go on the other side now. Float that hand down. Bring the other arm up. Inhale. Passively exhale. 5 times. Inhale. Passively exhale. Inhale. Eyes open or closed. You choose, you decide. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Can you stay connected with the floor when you're doing this? Maybe wiggle your toes. Feel the carpet, feel the grass under your feet. Excellent. So really coming onto the edge of the chair now. Really on the edge of the chair. If you like, and when you're ready, we're going to inhale. Take 3 powerful breaths. Now really extend from the armpit to the elbow to the fingers. You can bring the palms together if you like. Slowly releasing down. Notice the spine lengthening, opening the front of the body. 2 more times. Inhale. Take the gaze up, smile. You may want to connect with the hands. The gaze with the hands, pull it down. Slow that down. And 1 more time. Inhale. Slow it down. Just notice what happens when we slow things down. Often there's a monkey jumping around saying, hurry up. Gently taking one hand to the opposite knee. Grab the outside of the chair, twist. Inhale. Passively exhale. Take the gaze down and back. Inhale. Exhale. Coming back on the other side. Grab the chair wherever feels appropriate so you can lengthen your spine. Inhale, lengthen, smile. Gently twist off to the side. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. exhale, twist. So send your brain down into your belly button, and we want to be twisting from below the belly button round. And slowly release, slowly release. So sitting back in the chair now, I'm going to invite you to bring your legs out and bring some circles with your ankles. Circles with your ankles, take them in the other direction. You might hear some clicks and pops. Maybe pedal them up and down. Then with the knees, just as if you're keeping a ball up. Keep the ball up, give it a kick, 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 kick. Excellent. And if you like, and when you're ready, bringing your chin to your chest, gently bring the chin up to the shoulder. Any shoulder, you choose, you decide. Bring it back down. Bringing it up to the other side. Just keeping an eye on the lengthening of the neck, any tension in the shoulders. And bringing your fingertips to your shoulders. Make some circles, big circles, and maybe take them in the other direction. And I'd like you to experiment with which way you'd like the circles to go. Maybe dropping the head in one direction, taking that in the other direction. Okay. And with the fingers, like you're playing the piano. Okay, take it out, take it out. Take it out, take it out, and bring some real circles into the wrists. Arms up, circling down. Other direction. Oof, some clicks and pops here. Taking them up, lowering them down. Okay, now what I'd like you to do now is experiment with putting one arm out front, hooking the other elbow over, and bringing your arms together. This is called eagle arms. Okay, great for stretching at the back of the neck, shoulders. So we're going to as if we're bringing the palms together, and we're going to just gently lift that up. Lift that up. Breathe. 5 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Just keep lifting those elbows up. You'll notice that in the shoulders. Let that go. Shake that out. Now we're going to do that on the other side. I always forget which side I've just done. So we're going to take this arm out now, the other arm out, cross the other elbow over, and bring the palms together. Bring the fingers together and lift that up. So you're going to feel that stretch in the upper spine. Inhale. Passive exhalation. Deeply inhale. Passive exhalation. Deeply inhale. Passive exhalation. Deeply inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just slowly let that go, bringing those rolls back in the shoulders, And I'm going to ask you to come again onto the edge of the seat. We're going to lean forward here. So noticing what's going on with the back of your spine. And if it feels comfortable for you, really leaning forward, bringing your hands to the grass. The grass needs cutting here, never mind. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes, just release the neck. Passive exhalation. Passive exhalation. And if you like, when you're ready, pushing through your feet to come up. can, not slouchy, as comfortable as you can, and that's it. Palms together. We're going to inhale. Take the arms out. Take the arms out. Wiggle the fingers. You may want to put some circles in the wrists. Exhale passively. Let the hands land together. Eyes open or closed. You choose, you decide. And again, inhale. Extend. When you're ready to exhale, slowly bring the hands together. Slowing down that exhalation. And again. Exhale. And if you like, and when you're ready, I'm going to invite you to bring your hands to your knees again, and we're going to begin to make some circles. Make some circles, leaning forward, to the side. You may want to scooch back to the back of the chair, coming round. Yeah, you can choose which direction. You may want to inhale the front, slowly exhale, and you go around the back. Go to your edge here, find some edge. We don't want to go beyond that edge. We don't want to be in any electrical pain. Bringing some movement into the spine, some spiraling, so some fluid movements, and taking it in the other direction. Taking that in the other direction. Again, you may want to inhale, forward, exhale, arch that spine. You'll know what feels right when you arch that spine. We stiffen up every night. Even if you do yoga every day, you still stiffen up at night. So it's gently melting away that stiffness, bringing some fluidity into the spine. And I'm going to ask you now to really plant your feet on the floor. Feet on the floor, wiggle the toes, wiggle the toes, wiggle the toes. Let your spine lengthen, front of the body opens. Wiggle the toes, push the heels into the floor, toes into the floor, wiggle the fingers. Inhale, extend up. Extend up. Palms together. And release. And have a good day.